Yeah, 12 people are there out of 6. Okay, I'll start. See now, here, if you want to, S4 HANA clearly, properly, even for the exam, everything, first you should know the sales process. This is called sales and distribution process, or sales and marketing process, or sales process, or order to cash order to cash, all are same. So here, how the sales is going to happen, how you are going to do the sell the product, how you are going to do the sales and marketing or sales and distribution. That is first inquiry. So inquiry, who will inquire? Customer is inquire through phone or a fax or in person in contact or in mail. As far as inquiry, manufacturing company will give the quotation. So the quotation, they'll give the price, validity, terms of payment, tax, transportation charges, that these terms and conditions they'll give. So in that quotation, the terms and condition will be negotiated and customer will give an order. That order in SAP, it is called sales order. Then how much you ordered, that much you have to deliver. Along with the delivery, bill has to be generated. This is called sales process. But in SAP, if you want to do inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, you need master data. Without master data, you can't do inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, or a sales process, or a sales and marketing, or a sales and distribution. So sales and distribution, or a sales and marketing, or a sales process, or order to cash, all are same. It's totally depending on the master data. So what are the master data? Organization structure. Yesterday I told you organization structure, client, company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, plant, store location, shipping point. These are all the organization. These are basic master data. Next, who is coming to do business? This inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, everywhere customer, customer, customer. In S4HANA, customer they call it as a business partner. Who is going to associate with the business? We call it as a business partner. So associated with the business is customer, vendor, agent, dealer, contact person. Through your contact, I got business means you're also business partner. So that is why business partner means it is a customer. So customer master is important. Then customer is ordering the material in the purchase order, so that a material master data. And if this customer become a regular or a permanent customer, then customer material information record master data. Then price master data for that customer, for that material price. So this all this master data, if it is there, then only you can create an inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing. So what is master data? So master data means it is a high level data, it is ultimate data, it is the data for processing the sales and distribution. Without master data, you cannot do inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, or indirectly sales and distribution, or indirectly sales and marketing. So that is why we need a master data. So yesterday I told you about the master data. That is a basic master data. That is organization structure and enterprise structure. So that you know already. So that we have finished. So that is what organization structure is. What this is the organization structure. This is the organization structure. Client, server, company, brand name of the product. Then only you are going to sell. And what are the product you are going to sell? That should be accountable and taxable. It should make an invoice. So company code, sales organization, whether it's export sales or domestic sales. So whether it's exports means export sales organization, domestic means domestic sales organization. Whether export or import or domestic, ultimately you have to sell the material or supplying the material or rendering a service to the customer is called sales organization. Then distribution channel. Distribution channel means a channel through which you are going to sell direct sale, wholesale, retail sale, factory outlet sale, showroom sale. In that product is moving division. Then sales office and sales group is a main for developing the customer and doing the sales and marketing. And the division is nothing but a finished product. Finished product is coming from the plant. There is a manufacturing plant. So in the plant only material is manufactured and declared as a finished goods. It will come and sit in the store location means quantity and value should be updated. Once quantity and value is updated, then only we are going to deliver or ship the material from that point. From that point means from the store location. So these are all the organizational unit. So in these organization units, Sales organization and distribution channel division is called sales area. If the sales organization and distribution channel assigned to the plant, then it is called delivering plant. So these are all you should know. This is a basic organization structure. If this basic organization structure is there, then only you can do what? Then only what you will do? Sales and marketing. That is this inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing. If you want to do inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, you need organization data, organization master data, or enterprise structure master data, and customer master data, metal master card, CMIR, customer information record, then price master data. Then only you are going to do the inquiry quotation. So now I'll show you practically in S4 HANA how the master data is created. Okay, so now you see. So I'm going to create master data. How? Here I'll go to the logistics, sales and distribution. Here it is a master data. So master data means business partner master data. So business partner master data is a T code is BP. Always use /n. Whether in the real time or anywhere, use /n, not /n. After that, you give the T code. T code for creating a business partner is BP. If you give /n, it will take you to the direct screen. So they make a habit of using /n. Okay, enter. So this is called business partner master data. So in S4 HANA, customer master data, they call it as a business partner master data. So there you have to click organization. Here you have to give grouping. Grouping, that is grouping called give BPL grouping. This is a BPL grouping. So here what you have to do is you have to maintain the customer address. Who is coming to do a business transaction? My company is a BPL. So the BPL company who is coming to do a business transaction. So that we are going to maintain. In SAP ECC, same thing, XD01. XD01, you'll give account group, that is called here in S4 HANA, same it is called grouping, BPL grouping. There you will give customer account group. Here also it is grouping. Grouping I given as a my own grouping called BPL grouping. Okay, this is very important. Okay, next, here who is a customer coming to do a business transaction to your organization? So I'll give NET Private Limited. NET Private Limited is a customer. So in search term you have to type anything, 2-3 character, and address you have to type. This is nothing but your SAP ECC general data. Postal code 6 character, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and city you have to give Mumbai or Bangalore, whatever it may be. Country, give IN. So this is the address of the customer. Next, the language is made it mandatory in S4 HANA. So that is language is English. So once you give this, press enter. See here what are the things I given here. So I given here, what are the things I given here? So I given the name of the customer is coming to do a business transaction, his name and address, postal code, city, country, next, here language. Once you give all these things, just save it. This is called range is critical. Okay, this is called customer master data. See, customer is created. 694 is customer is created. Now this customer should link to the FI department. Ultimately, overall customer coming to a business transaction that should be accountable and taxable, and you have to make an invoice means you have to link to the FI department. So FI department means it is a company code. So that is why here you click, this is a called switch between display change. You click this pen mark button, then here BP role, business role, you give FI customer. If you give FI customer, then it is called FI department. The FI customer means FI department. How do you know it is FI department? See here company code has come. Just give the company code. Here switch company code you need to give. When you click switch company code, you have to give your company code. My company code is BPL. BPL is my company code, and enter. Here you have to give the reconciliation account GL number. Overall customer coming to do a business transaction, FI people maintain one general ledger called 1,40,000. If you give 1,40,000, not only the net private limited customer, any customer when they're coming to do a business transaction, everything should be linked to the GL number. There is a reconciliation account GL number. Once you save this, that customer is accountable, taxable, and linked to the FI department. So this is called, see, now it is linked to the FI department. Now the same customer should link to the sales and marketing, because sales and distribution, because you have to do the sales and marketing. So that is why is sales and distribution data. Again, you click switch between display change. Here you see that the list is not coming. Again, you click 2 3 times. Again, you click 2 3 times. Here you can see the customer. Now you can, again, you once again you click. Here you will get a list of customer. So a list of the list you will get. Here you have to give customer only, because customer means SD. FI customer means FI department. Customer means SD customer, SD. So moment you give customer, here you see sales and distribution has come. So here you have to give your sales area. My sales area is BPL. My distribution channel is BP. Wholesale. My division is BP. TV. So once you do this, press enter. Here you give the, in the order column, when the order data is order data, from which sales district, when he gives an order, from which sales district you are going to sell the material to the customer, southern region. Next, here you have to give, you have to see the currency and the customer pricing procedure 1. Order means price will be there. Next, here you have to give the price group. This is made as a mandatory price group. Price group means what is this? I'm going to tell bulk buyer. Next, shipping. In the shipping, you have to give the delivery priority. Customer is telling you, I want material within 2 3 days, then high priority. So that is why you are maintaining a shipping data. And from which plant the material is going to be delivered to the customer place. My plant BPL. See, BPL sales organization, BPL distribution channel will be assigned to the BPL plant. That is why it is called delivering plant. That yesterday I shown you. And shipping condition. Shipping condition means when the material is ready for shipping, how you are going to ship. That is as per the company standard we are going to ship. Next, here partial delivery allowed is there. The customer you want full delivery, one complete delivery or partial delivery. So we'll give the partial delivery allowed only. Next, in the billing, you have to give INCO terms. INCO terms means transportation charges or a delivery charges. That is from X works. X works means plant only. So from the plant. So you are going to put a transportation charges. Bangalore is a plant is there in Bangalore. From Bangalore plant until is going to the Delhi means from Bangalore plant we are going to put a transportation charges or a delivery charges or a freight charges. That is called INCO terms. Here also you give EXW. Next, terms of payment. What is the terms of payment you agree to the customer? So 30 days. Next, give here the account assignment group, whether this customer is a foreign customer or domestic customer. If it is a foreign customer, foreign revenue. If it is a domestic customer, domestic revenue. And here you have to give the tax. Since it is customer is a taxable means full tax. So here you have to give all the tax here. That means full tax. Next, press enter. Click partner function. Here, sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, payer. Sold to party means the one who gives order is called sold to party. Bill to party means one who billing address whom you have to make a bill. Payer means payment payer after the terms of payment. Ship to party means goods receiver. So this will go in depth, not now, afterwards. So this sold to party, ship to party, when it comes here, just save. So this is your customer. This is your customer. So this is your customer master data in S4 HANA. But in your ECC, it is XD01. Same screen, little here and there change. Only like clicking this display and change button and BP role you have to give. That's all. Otherwise, everything is same. So any doubt, customer master data? So now we have finished two master data. One is organization structure master data. Then it is a customer master data. In S4 HANA, It is called business partner master data. Business partner master data, customer master data, one and the same. No change in it. Okay. Any doubt? Anybody? Any doubt? All of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
now, what is the next? So now you want to do inquiry quotation, organization structure, master data is over. Customer master data or business partner just now over. Now we are going to do the material master data. Material master data means it is a customer order material master data. Customer has given a purchase order. In the purchase order, he has given the material and its specification and the quantity. That is why that is customer ordered material. That is we are going to maintain material master data. Material master data is created by maintained by people. See MM01. Means material management. It is not our job. Since you are a SD consultant, you should know the material master record because in the real time, this is very important. Material creation of the material master record. And why we have to know the material master record? Because when customer give the purchase order, based on your confidence, based on trust on you, he has given order. This salesman is very good and very confident, so we'll give the order. So he is giving order as well as the is material in the order. So that is why you should know the material master data. That is slash n mm01 is creating of material master record. That create a material master data means there is a customer order material master data. So here you have to give industry sector mechanical engineering, which is your company. My company is an engineering based company. So where what you are manufacturing there, that is a finished product. SD means finished product. So this we have to maintain. Press enter. Here you have to maintain basic data 1, sales ordination 1, sales ordination 2, sales general plan data, sales text, then MRP 1, then accounting 1. What is this? I'm going to tell now one by one. So accounting 1. So these are all the important views of the material master record. See here, if the sales views is there, sales ordination data 1, sales ordination data 2, sales general plan data, this views is there and the sales text is there, then only it is called finished product. Then only it is called finished product. Otherwise, it is a raw material. The sales use is not there. Imagine the sales use is not there. Then it is a raw material. So our product is we are SD people. You are going to sell the finished product. You have to deal with the finished product. You are going to sell the finished product. So SD means finished product. So that is why sales ordination 1, sales ordination 2, sales general plan data, sales text. And important views of the material master record for the SD finished product is basic data 1, sales ordination data 1, sales ordination 2, sales general plan data, sales text, and then MRP 1 and accounting 1. So what is this MRP 1 accounting 1? I'll tell you. Accounting 1 means just now you have seen in the business partner master data company code, that is accounts department. In MM they call it as accounts department. In SD they call it as a company customer, FI customer, that is company code. In the same way, here you have a sales use. The sales use means it is a sales and distribution. Okay. MRP 1 is manufacturing requirement planning. Whether this customer ordered material is manufactured by you or stock is there, existing stock. So here we are going to give stock is there. Stock is there means no manufacturing is required. So that is why here you have to mention all those things. Basic data 1 means basic data of the particular material, important data. Once you enter here you have to give the plant. That is from the enterprise structure plant master data. My plant is BPL. Storage location BPL. Once material is manufactured and declared as the finished goods, it will come and sit in the storage location. Once material is stored in the storage location, you have to sell. So that is why sales ordination is BPL. Distribution channel is BP. On what way you are going to sell? That is a wholesale price. Enter. So here you have to give the description. Suppose my product is TV, then you have to give 50 to 32-inch LED TV description. So that is given by the production planning people. Then how you are going to sell that material, how you are going to deliver that material, how you are going to build the material. So that is why unit of measure it is each. EA means each. Each means EA, each TV. Each TV only will be ordered, each TV will be delivered, each TV only build. That is a unit of measure. And division. Division means my division. So this is for nothing but a finished product, TV. So one metal master record means one division. One material master data is one division. So next, here gross weight of the TV is say 12 kg. Net weight of the TV is 10 kg. Actual weight of the TV is a 10 kg. If you pack and you send to the customer, then it will become a 12 kg. That means 2 kg extra packing and all. So that is a gross weight. Next, once you give material description, unit of measure, division, then gross weight and net weight, then you have to click this last button here, sales organization 1. So you have to sell this product. So that is from where you are going to sell, from the delivering plant. What is delivering plant? If the sales organization or decision channel assigned to the plant is called delivering plant. Next, the tax. Which material you are going to put a tax, that is should be taxable. So that is why it is a full tax. So here you have to give 1 year. Again you have to give 1 year. Sorry. Again you have to give 1 year. Again 1. So press enter. Next, sales organization 2. So again you click here, go to the sales organization 2. So here you have to give item category group norm. So what is that item category group? Now this is maintained by people. It is not our job, but you should know some of the things for us, for our SD. So here what is norm? Norm means it is a standard item. Norm means it is a standard item. See here it is there. Norm. Norm means standard item. So if you give norm here, it's standard item. Standard item means finished goods. It's relevant for order, relevant for delivery, relevant for billing, relevant for pricing. So once you give this, that's all. Next, again last button, sale general plan data. Here you have to give the availability check. Before you are going to deliver the material, you have to see the stock check, whether the material is available or not. So once, how you are going to check the material available or not, that is called daily checking, individual checking, batch wise checking. So I'm going to give daily checking. So once the material is available on particular day, what is the mode of transport? The mode of transport is only roadways, airways, seaways. So that is why anything here it is there, you can give it as a first one only, no problem. And once material is available, transportation is ready, how you are going to load it? So loading is by crane or forklift or manual. So that is why here it is, you have to give first one only. Next, here the last but one is sales text. So in the sales text, you have to maintain the lab report, test report, text report, everything about the material. That is MFML will do. Next, MRP1. What is MRP1? It is a manufacturing requirement planning. When you click manufacturing requirement planning here is a MRP type is there. Whether it is manufactured or ND means no planning. No planning means no manufacturing required. We have a stock, buffer stock. So that is why it is ND no planning. PD means manufacturing is required. That is as per the customer specification. ND no planning means stock is there means it is our company standard. So that is why here it is, you have to give ND only. The last one is accounting one. So in the accounting one, here you see 7920 is a GL number. For customer master is 1,40,000. For some material it is 1,7920 GL number. Here you have to give the price here. This is the price called costing price. Price at the manufacturing level. On this, management is going to put 20%, 30% margin, and they're telling the salespeople to sell the price. So that is why here it is a costing price. So once costing price is done, material is declared as a finished goods. So this is when you save, again enter and save, it will be created. Save. So it is 11969. Otherwise 1969 like this. Okay. 11969 is my material. So again, what is important for the inquiry quotation order to deliver? Next, organization structure master data is over, customer master data is over, metal master over. Next, that customer become a permanent customer or valuable customer means you have to maintain that customer. So here customer metal information record /n VD51. This is customer material information record. That means it is a combination of customer master and metal master record. So if the customer is a regular, permanent, then we are going to maintain this. Whatever it may be, this also master data is important. So here you have to give the customer number. Just now I create a customer, that is 694. Press enter. Sales automation decision channel. Your material 1, again 1 6 9 6 697 697, I think 697. I think what is the material number we have created? 969 969. This is the material I created. Okay, this is from the material master card. That is why customer information record is a combination of customer master and material master data. Customer master means 694. Business partner, material master card just now I created. Here you have to give same 694 customer number slash 11969 material number. You write some text here, then you write rupees price rupees 900. This is called customer. For that customer, for that material, this is the price. Press enter. Again double click on the material number. Here you have to give the plant. So my plant is BPL, and here you see the partially allowed or not. Even though is a permanent customer, one complete delivery or partially allowed, that is decided by the management. So once you do this and save it, so now customer material information record is maintained. So next we are going to maintain price master data. See, price master data you can maintain master data, otherwise you can maintain manually in the sales order. So both I'll show you. Now you see master data they're maintained, that is called price master data. How we have organization structure master data, business partner master data, customer master data, then material master data, then customer information record master data. Now I'm going to maintain price master data, that is slash n vk11. Once you press enter here the price you have to maintain for the particular customer and material. PR00 means price. Press enter. Again enter here sales organization BPL, digital channel BP, customer is 694, and your material is 11969. So here amount say 500. Again unit INR. Press enter. So this is the price. For this customer, there is a business partner what I created. For this material, the price for the TV is 500 rupees. 500 currency rupees, Indian INR. Just save it. That's all. This is called price master data. So now all this master data we have finished. Now we are going to do the inquiry and quotation and order delivery billing. So now what you have to do is you have to write this. You have written yesterday, or your have you written this, all of you? All of you written? All of you written this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please write down this. Please write down. Write down this, please. All of you. Please write down. Here, before all of you, please unmute it. Somebody unmute it. Unmute it. Please unmute it. Somebody. Okay. See here what you have to do. Before inquiry, you write here organization structure master data or enterprise structure master data, customer master data, material master data, customer information record master data, CMIR, then price master data. Then you write inquiry, quotation. Here you write N, negotiation, then order, sales order, then delivery, then billing. Everything should be in the same line. Don't write all these things, pre-sales, what all the things are written down here. This don't write. Only you write up to billing. Okay, please write. So before inquiry quotation, before inquiry, you write here organization structure master data, enterprise structure master data, customer master data, material master data, CMIR, customer information record, price master data. Then you write all these things. Don't write down what is there and all. Write heading sales process or sales and distribution process or sales and marketing process. All of you write. Once you finished, you tell me. Once you finish, you tell me.
Done, sir.
Done, no? Okay. Please read that thoroughly. This is your very important. This is called order to cash or sales and distribution or sales and marketing or sales process. Sales process or a sales and marketing process or a sales and distribution process or order to cash process. They call it as a OTC, order to cash process. So that is why. So here you see inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, billing. In between quotation to sales order, you write N. N means negotiation. And here you have written all the master, right? Heading first master data. Below that master data, you write customer master data, material master data, CMIR, then price master data. Now what you have to write is below the customer master data, if any space is there, you write BP. T code is BP /N BP. Metal Mastercard MM01. Customer CMIR VD51. Price master data VK11. Please write that, all of you. Customer master data or business partner master data is BP. Material master record is MM01. MM01. Metal master card is MM01. Customer metal information record is VD51. Price master data is VK11. Everyone has to write this, then only it is correct. This is only S4 HANA. When only theory I can tell. Please read. Have you written? Customer master data BP, material master record MM01, and customer material information record VD51, price master data VK11. These are all very, very important. Now you write below inquiry VA11, below quotation VA21, below sales order VA01, below delivery VL01N, below billing VF01.
Sir, can you please repeat?
See, inquiry VA11, V for victory. You have done no in your SAP SD training. You have done all these things. You have not done this. VA11, inquiry, T code.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Same thing, yeah. Same. I told you. SAP ECC, same as S4 HANA only. See the screen here.
Yes, sir.
No. This is very important, yeah. See here, inquiry, VA11, quotation, VA21, sales order, VA01. These are all you have done. That is why they make training 1 week, because you know this. Please write below inquiry, you write VA11, below quotation, you write VA21, below sales order, you write VA01. Okay, then, okay, 1 second. So these are all you have to write. Below the inquiry, you write VA11, below the quotation, you write VA21, below the sales order, you write VA01.
Delivery.
The delivery, I'll tell you. The delivery is VL01N. Overall written here, just see now. Here only it is there. Shipping and transportation. That is called outbound delivery. You write outbound delivery VL01N. See this you write. This you have to write. Below
Yes.
delivery you have to write VL01N. VL01N. This very, very important. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Next billing. VF01. See your billing document here, it is a VF01. Please write that below that. Then only it is correct. Otherwise, it's not going to do. All of you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Billing VF01, delivery VL01N, and inquiry VA11, quotation is VA21, and sales order is VA01. Because nowadays in the interview they're asking T codes. One question compulsory T code. What is the T codes? Can you tell me the T codes of the inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing? Otherwise, they will tell. Can you tell me the sales and distribution transactional codes? That is why you have written no BP, business partner, BP, metal master card, MM01, customer information record, VD51, price master data, VK11. The next inquiry, VA11, quotation, VA21, sales order, VA01, delivery, VL01N, billing, VF01. This they will expect and they will ask the question, one compulsory question. So nowadays they're asking, I don't know, past 1.5 year they're asking this question. Earlier there is no T codes, so now they're asking T codes. So that is why be thorough with the T codes, because it's very, very important. Okay, so when is your exam? You already all are taken exam? No.
No, sir.
When you
No,
are
sir.
planning to take, how you are preparing? When is your certification validity? 1 year, certification validity 1 year or 3 months?
3 months.
Okay, 3 months means okay, no problem. Good. Okay. So now this is okay. The T codes and all, please remember. If you don't remember, if you don't tell, then they will think in a different way. So that is why you should know that. Okay. Now I'm going to do the inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing. See the screen now. How I'm going to do. See, first I'll go to do inquiry. /n VA11. Press enter. Here I'm creating an inquiry. So inquiry document type is IN. So already that also you written here. See the screen here. When you double click here, see here inquiry IN, quotation QT, sales order OR, delivery LF, billing F1 and F2. Have you written this, all of you? Inquiry IN, quotation QT, sales order OR. Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Now you see, I'm going to create an inquiry. See, who is giving inquiry? Customer is inquiring about that particular material. Why? You want to do business transaction. You want to do sales and distribution. So that is why he is inquiring. So he is inquiring means you have to create an inquiry. So that is document type IN. This is your organization structure. I told you, if you want to do inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, you need a master data. What are the master data? Organization structure master data, customer master data, material master record, customer material information record master data, then price master data, week 11. So that is why for inquiry, you need all those things. So that is why this is sales area is coming from your enterprise structure. That means enterprise structure master data. Then you give the inquiry document type IN, then enter. Who is going to create an inquiry? Create an inquiry by 502. I'll take this only. This is my customer. I create same sold to party number. Here, this customer inquiring this material. Which material? BPL is my material. Is inquiring. How much quantity is inquiring? Say imagine 20. This customer, this material, this much quantity is inquiring. So that is why enter. So here inquiry document contains 3 layers. One is header data, three parts. That is, this is called header data. Header data means who is heading the inquiry. Always any document is headed by customer only. That is called business partner. Okay, that is why here customer. Next, material. This is called line item data. When you double click on the material number, you see here item data. Item data means material related data. Then schedule line. For that customer, for that material is inquiring. So we are inquiring. So that is why in schedule line you can see the, just observe the delivery date and confirm quantity. Once you do this, click edit, click incompletion log. Now document complete, just save. This is called inquiry. You should know the inquiry number. Inquiry is 140220. So here, after that inquiry, what is next? After inquiry, what is that? Quotation. So quotation you have to do now. So quotation is /n VA21. Press enter. Here quotation document type is QT. Quotation document type is QT. Press enter. That is after inquiry. Customer is inquired. Now manufacturing company is giving the quotation. So we have to give the quotation. So quotation to whom? To the customer, that is 502, or a business partner in S4 HANA. And this quotation, every quotation will have a validity. That is 1 month, 2 months. Within that 1 month, 2 months, you have to negotiate and get the order. Otherwise, no, it's not a business at all. So that is why quotation given to the customer with a validity maintained. So 1 month, imagine, or 1 week, 2 week, anything. Then material number BPL. Here quantity, how much quantity you are giving quotation? Say 20. This also you can do. Otherwise, what people will do, they won't do all those things. They won't do all those things. Simply what they will do, they'll create a quotation. This is quotation. Here they'll go to create with the reference of inquiry. What is the inquiry number? Just now I have done 1000220. Here you have to give 22220. This is our inquiry number. So with regard to the inquiry quotation they're giving, just copy. So that inquiry we are going to copy. Just click copy. Now you see what all the things is there in the inquiry. Everything has come here. Here you just give valid to, valid from and valid to you give. Otherwise you give 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Otherwise next month fifth. 1 month you give 2 month. Then enter. Here also three parts. Three structure of quotation. Three parts. That is, this is called header data. See, quotation header data. Header data means what? Customer, business partner. Next, double click on the material number. This is called item data because related to the material. Schedule line data. Here you can see the delivery date and confirm quantity. Then here you have to go to the conditions. Here you have to give the price. See, price, I told you one price master data I shown you VK11. That is master data. If you don't maintain the master data, you can maintain manually. So in S4 HANA, they'll go and maintain manually, but both you should know. PR00 is a price. So here, one second. One second. So here you have to give price. So price here PR00, that I made my own pricing copy as I done. So that is N1PR. That is N1PR. That is a price. Same PR00. I copied as a N1PR. I renamed it. So price is 100 rupees. Imagine 100 rupees. Just enter. So this is about the price. Next, if you click schedule line, you can see the date, the delivery date and confirm. So everything we are given here. Then you go to the edit, click incompletion log. Very important. The document complete. You have to save. This is quotation. So quotation is created. What is that? 201509. 201509. So this is a quotation. So after quotation, what? After quotation, what? Negotiation will happen. Then only customer will give the order, purchase order. Then only we are going to create a sales order. Same purchase order, we call it as a sales order. Now, sales order means what? Here it is VA01. See, sales order means VA01. Double click here, VA01. Here you have to give OR. OR means standard sales order. So in the standard sales order, again here you click create with the reference of the quotation. So quotation, anybody seen? It is 2000. 2000. What, any idea? Anyone? What is the number? Very important. Otherwise you can't do that. So that is why you go to VA22. There is a change mode. So here it is. Copy this. Usually we'll copy this. Otherwise you remember that, no problem. So now I'm going to create a sales order. Click on this. Here you give OR. Next, here create with the reference, with reference to the quotation. So here you give the quotation. This is the quotation. Just copy. So once it is there, what are the things you have given in the quotation you copied? But after quotation copied, here you have to give the PO number. So here PO number 45689, whatever it you give. That is, after quotation, customer will give the PO. So this PO if you give, here also 3 layer. What is that? Header data. This is called header data. This is called sales order header data. Standard header data. Sales order data means customer related. Back, double click on the material number. That is sales order item data that is related to the material. Then click schedule lines. So here delivery date. So customer, as for the purchase order of the customer, the date he has given is 5. What is the date today? 5. So you can make the date changes also, no problem. So imagine the date he has given today's date. So on that day, quantity is confirmed. So next, you have to go here, edit incompletion log. Now document complete, then save. So once you save here, you see here standard order is created. So next is what? So inquiry created, quotation created, order created. Now here order, after order you have to do the delivery. So delivery you have to do within to the order, how much customer is ordered, that much you have to do the delivery. So before delivery you have to see the stock check. What is the stock check? Whether the material is available or not. That is /n MMBE. So MMBE is a, this is the material. What is the material? My material is not this. The material is BPL. So here plant. In this plant, material is manufactured and it will be stored in the storage location BPL. So you have to see whether material is available in this storage location. If you execute, you can see the material is available quantity. You can see here. How much is the stock? It will show. See now, stock is 160. 160 stock is there now. So now back, how much you order? 20. So now next is what? Next, what we are going to do? After order, stock is there. Now we are going to do the delivery. How much you ordered, that much stock is there. Now you want to do the delivery. In delivery, what is there? How much you ordered, that much you have to pick, pack, then PGA. So that is why now I'm going to do the delivery. So delivery is VL01N with regard to the sales order VL01N. Click on this here. Give the shipping point is BPL shipping point. So delivery within the order. So order number has come. That's in the delivery. What is the delivery date? The schedule line delivery date is 5. That is why you have to give 5. Suppose I'll give some other things. Imagine, so I'll give some, by mistake I given 2 year. System won't take. See, no schedule line it will come. So that is why here you have to give in the sales order what is the delivery date. That only you should give. So give 5 year, then press enter. How much you ordered, that much you have to pick. That is called picking. So picking from where? Picking from the storage location that is inside the plant. So plant is BPL. Once you pick the metal from that particular store location, you have to make a pick here. So store location, when you give in that store location, you have to pick 20. Why? He ordered 20. Delivery is going to be 20. Picked should be 20. If you pick 20 only, you can deliver. So now after the pick, you have to do the pack here. This is called pack. Pack is automatic packing. I'll show you afterwards. After that, you have to do PGI. You should not save the delivery. In SAP SD, only one document cannot be saved is delivery. Everywhere in SAP SD, save is there, but delivery cannot be saved. You should not save the delivery. Delivery you have to do post good issue, PGI. So once you do PGI, anyway, this is not your fault. This is FI problem. Okay, go to, I'll do that. MMPV. This is FI. Any inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing should be as per the current year, current financial year, and the current month. So that is why here this month is 11th. So 11th. So here I have to give 11th. So just execute this. Now you see it will happen. So anyway, I'll show you once again delivery /n VL01N. Any delivery, any billing, any order that should be as per the current financial year and current month. So once you enter here the delivery, sorry, it is not, see, /n VL01 N. So once you enter this, here you have to give here delivery date number. Here you have to click picking. So in the picking, you give the store location BPL. So how much he ordered, that much you have to pick from the store location. So that is a 20. After that, you have to do the pack. Once you do the pack, you have to do post good issue. Post good issue means what? I'll tell you. Goods issue. You should never save the. If you save delivery by mistake, delivery is a wrong. Delivery is a nonsense. Delivery is a very bad. That means it is not at all. It is a incorrect document. It is invalid. Delivery is wrong. So that is why you have to do post good issue. So once you do post good issue, delivery number has come. Now you go and see the stock check /n MMBE. Now in the store location, earlier it was 160. Now it has become 140. Where is the 20? See, we have done delivery means is not deliver the material. We are not deliver the material to the customer. Delivery correct. We are not delivering the material to the customer. It is removed from the store location. It is in the truck. It is in the lorry. It is in the truck. The truck and the truck driver waiting for the bill because material 20 material is there in the truck. So you have to make a bill now. So that is called billing. So here billing. So here you have to create a billing now. So what is the billing document T code? Billing document T code is this. That is VF01. Click on this VF01. Here billing always with reference to the delivery. Billing always with reference to the delivery. So here in the delivery, you have to give the billing type F1 or F2. F1 means full delivery. F2 means partial delivery. The customer gives an order 100. If you delivered 100, you have to make a bill 100 only. That is billing type is F1. The customer is ordered 100. You delivered only 50/50. Then it is F2. So click on F1 here. Anything you can give F1 or F2. Then I'll tell you what is that. Just simply save. So here in S4 HANA, it will be green or yellow like this comes means you have to enter. In the billing, you have to enter 3-4 times. Enter. In ECC, one time enter is enough. You'll get saved. See now, billing document is saved. So once billing document is saved, now you see what are the things is over. Now go to /n VF02. So here what will happen? Once billing document is saved, is gone to the FI department. Suppose billing document is having some any issues or any problem, anything and all, you have to rectify it. After that, you have to come and do manually. You have to send to the FI department. Means the billing document will be released to the accounts department. Otherwise, you go here, billing document will be released to the FI department. That is a final because you have to here you see billing document will be sent to the accounts department, FI department. So that is VF02. So here you have to do the release to accounting. So here there is one document flow is there here. If you click this document flow, here you see your order, delivery, billing, everything is completed. See here, inquiry completed, quotation completed, order completed, delivery completed, invoice completed, journal entry not clear, journal entry, journal ledger, journal entry is neighbor house, FI, that is their headache. Let them do whatever they want. See here, our SD things are perfect. Here, complete means implementation is successful, configuration is successful, customization is successful. As a SD consultant, your implementation is successful. As an end user, when he's going to create this all this T code transaction codes, that is also completed. Everything is complete means implementation is successful. In the same way, this is from the billing level. So if you go to the delivery level, if you go to /n VL02N, VL01N is create mode, VL02N is a change mode. Again, here you go here you click the document flow, here you click. See here also, inquiry complete, quotation complete, order complete, delivery complete, picking complete, goods issue complete, invoice complete, journal entry, it is FI. This is document flow with reference to delivery. In the same way, you can see with reference to the sales order. You go to VA02, VA01 is a create, VA02 is a change mode. Here you give the document, click the document flow here. If you see here, inquiry completed, quotation complete, everything complete. So once this is done, your implementation is successful. This you should know thoroughly. If you know this thoroughly, then only your what? Your sales and distribution process, sales and marketing process, sales process, or order to cash process is successful, implementation is successful. After that, what? Everything has gone to the billing document means then we are going to generate a report. What is a report you are going to generate? That is customer. This is what management needs. Whether they've done implementation or anything, they don't want that. So they want the reports. So what is the reports? Finally, they'll generate a report. Just see now. Here, report is information system. Here, logistics. Here, sales and distribution. Here, after implementation, everything complete. I want to see my sales. What is my customer sales? So customer sales from, this is a customer number, material number, sales area, everything come. So customer sales I want to see from January to the March. Everything you have to give here. So here just 1 week back we created, it won't pull the data. If the data are 6 months or 1 year is there, transaction is happened, then only it's going to pull the data. So here there is no data for us because a new server I've taken. So that is why here you have to give in real time, you have to give everything. Even if you don't give everything, it will take from the standard. Standard is created past 1 year, 2 year and all. So if you give this and execute, okay. In S4 HANA, the reports are not coming. I'll show it in my system. Another one. See, that is why I'm telling SAP ECC. Now I'm taking SAP ECC. SAP ECC is a golden client. Everything we can see there. Okay. So I'll go here. I'll show you the reports. Here now I'll show the reports now. Once your inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing is done, if you go and see the document flow, everything is complete comes means implementation is successful, everything is successful means then management needs a report. Then only you are going to take the reports. Report means SD report, MM report, FI report, like that. It is called reports. So here it is called information system. Sorry. Here you have to go to the information system. See here, information system means reports, logistics. So SD report I want. So if you click SD report, here customer wise sales. When you click customer wise sales, here you have to give the same thing, sold to party number. See, I shown you S4 HANA also. So this is S4 HANA. This is S4 HANA. Here also same. There is also same. That is why I'm telling, if you know your SD properly, S4 HANA is just 3 days is enough. 3 days training is enough. That is why SD you should know. I think your batch is a 7th batch, or I think 7th batch. Yours is a 7th batch. I've seen all the batches. They are not taught practice properly. Practical they didn't teach properly. Anymore. Here customer wise sales I want. See here customer wise sales, 3 months customer wise sales I want. Click on this. This only management needs. The implementation, what they've done, that and all, they're not bothering. We paid the money. Whether the implementation successful, yes sir, it is successful. Come on, show me the report. I want 3 months report. If the report is coming fantastic, clearly, neat and clean, then they're telling, okay, your implementation is done. So here you have to give which month, 3 months or 6 months. Usually they'll take 3 months sales report, 6 months sales report, otherwise 9 months sales report, a yearly report they'll take. Sometimes some company they'll take a monthly report also. So you give January to February year. So you have to give all customer number, material number, sales area and all. Then you execute. Now you see here. Here you see, you go to the top. This is the report. These are all Baker Berlin and ERL High Tech AG. These are all customer name, sales, billing quantity, gross sales, invoice sales. If you want extra table, SAP will provide a table. If the client needs any other things, they can do. They can do. So that is ABAPR will do. So again, you take this is the sales report of the customer from January to March, 3 months, like 6 months, like 9 months, 1 year also you can take. So now they want this hard copy or a soft copy. Go to the customer analysis top menu bar. Here you click here, you take the print. No, we don't want print. We want to send it to the Excel sheet. Okay, transfer to the Excel sheet or save to your own file. This is this is what client needs. They're not bothering about your organization structure, master data, that, this, and all. Consultant have come from IBM. Yes, sir. They have done implemented properly. Yes, sir. Then where is the report? See the report, sir. This is a report. Okay. Give them 1 crore and send it. That's all. Implementation, whether they do hard work or not, secondary. Management needs what? Whatever you are implemented, we are giving money. Where is the report? We want crystal clear report. So that is a report. This is a report. In the same way, they're telling, no, this report I'm not happy. Let us see the material report. I want material wise sales report. My material is washing machine. How much I sold washing machine within 3 months. So they will give the material wise sales. Imagine it's a washing machine or a TV. Give the material number here, sales on nation, distance channel you give which month to which month. We want from January to March. March, then execute this. See, these are all the report. See, these are all the crate pump, headlight, bakery product, this high speed printer. Yeah, these are all the product. Casing for HD cab, deluxe headlight, tail light. These are all the product material. Like that in leather TV fridge washing machine you can give. What is the sales? What is the billing quantity? What is the invoice sales? What is the gross sales? Okay, print is coming. That also they'll check. Who will check all this thing? Top level management people. Because the management is decided to go for implementation, whether the implementation done successfully or not. Yes, sir, successful. Then where is the report? Give me the metal wise sales report. So this is a metal wise sales report. Okay, print is coming. Yes, sir, print is coming. Tell not we don't want print. We want to export to the Excel sheet to tell. Okay, otherwise save our own file. Yes, that is also coming. So once this is done, then only they will do. Next, you see here another reports like that. So many reports are there here. I'll show you the few reports. Now here I want sales office wise report. I'm having around 10 sales office throughout India. What is a sales office? Give me the sales office. So here you give the sales organization, sales group, sales office. You want Bangalore sales office or Bombay sales office? Give the Bangalore sales office. Then distribution channel division, sales area. Then from which month to which month? Sales office they take every month. They'll take sales report. So every monthly sales report is coming from the sales office, correct or not? Yes. See, click here, click the button here. Here you see office Hamburg, office UK, office sales office Paris, sales office Chicago. Everything office is there. Here sales, total sales, invoice sales. Here you can make any other column extra. Client will tell, we'll do. That is ABAPR will do. Client will tell to the functional consultant. Functional consultant will to the ABAPR. ABAPR has to come and do. Again, this also I want report. Go here, take the print. No, print I don't want. Excel sheet I want. So this. Next, in the same way, you want any other report? Other report? Yes, we want monthly inquiry report. Inquiry report I want. So how many people have inquired? Monthly inquiry report. Based on that only they're going to give the quotation. They want list of inquiries, then only they'll give the quotation. So here it is /n VA15. Here 15 is there. Here N should be added. That is a present N. Once you enter in S4 N, enter. So here inquiry list, you have to give the document type IN, sold to party number, material number. Then next, sales organization, distribution channel division, sales office, sales group. Then you execute. You'll get a list of inquiry. So this I want to take the print. Yes, print is coming. Export is word processing also coming. Spreadsheet is also coming. Local file means save your own file also coming. Now you want to see that inquiry. Click this detail button. click this detail button, you can see the inquiry now. Details you can get. Otherwise, inquiry, you want to see in the change mode. You click this in the change mode. Here your inquiry created, it will come here. Then you can see here. So this is about the inquiry list. In the same way, they're going to take the order list, quotation list, delivery list, billing list. I'll show you the order list and delivery list, billing list. That's all. So sales order list, it is VA05. Now here it is VA05 is also correct. That is also happening, but it is little less. Now forward, now updated is what? If you go to /n VA05 N, if we give here, this is updated. Same, it is updated. So here you have to give the order type OR. Order type is OR here. Customer number, material number, sales area, everything. Just execute. This is a list of sales orders. It will come now. But in S4 HANA, within a fraction of 10 seconds, it will come. See here, in EC is also fast. See here, there's a list of sales order. So this list of sales order, I want to take a print. Okay, take a print or export the Excel sheet. Okay, you do it. Fine. Then back. Then they're telling, no, we want delivery list also. Okay, delivery list. So deliveries, your delivery list. So delivery list, you have to give sales organization regional division, shipping point you have to give, from which date to which date delivery has done that you want. Give the dates there. Give the dates here, then execute. You will get a list of deliveries. These are all list of delivery document completed. See, these are all the delivery numbers. These are all delivery numbers. This also you take a print, export to the Excel sheet. Next, the last report is billing list. I want billing list. I want list of billing document, billing list with November total in the month of November. What is a billing list? So here you have to give. So this is a billing list. Sorry. Here you have to give the billing document list. VF05 is there. Just add N there. /n VF05 N. N means new. So if you give here again billing document number, otherwise billing type, customer number, billing date, sales organization, decision, everything, just execute. We'll get a billing list. It will come. See, this is a list of billing document. Billing type F1, F2. F2 means partial delivery, F1 means full delivery. This also you can take a list. Print, export Excel sheet, or send it to the mail recipient. Anything you can do that. So this is the things. So for that, what is the flow you should know? Here you should know the flow. What is that? It is that. This is the one. So once your master data is ready, organization structure, customer master data, material master card, customer information record, price master ready, then inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, sent to the FA department. After that, go and take the reports. Reports will come. This, if you know, then only you're a full-fledged SD consultant. This has to be done in your SD training. They have done SD training, all these things. All of you, they have done this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Means yes, sir. Means now you know the things. Correct. Reports and all that shown. The report they have shown. Reports. Report. Your trainer report. You have shown. See, these are all very important. Ultimately, consultant means what? Not only the implementation. Finally, client, when he give the money for implementation, they have to do what? They should get the report, final report. Then only it will be correct. Okay, so these are all very, very important. So this you should know thoroughly. If you know this thoroughly, then only it will be everything is easy. So now from tomorrow, I'll go each and every sales. What are the sales? Cash sales, rush sales, consignment sales, contract sales, then scheduling agreement sales, trade more request sales, debit more request sales, sales return. These are all I'm going to do. So that is why now you have seen only standard sales. Next, I'll show you the cash sales, cash and carry, the rush sales, consignment sales, contract sales. Have you done the practical of cash sales, rush sales, contract sales, consignment sales?
Yes.
Have you done? Okay. Just see.
Yes.
You see my way of cash sales and rush sales. You see what you have learned. I'll show you. If you understand this thoroughly, you can take the exam anytime. Because I want to tell the theory. Okay, theory only I have to tell. That's all. That is why if you know all those things, I'll see first cash sales, rush sales, consignment sales, contract sales, scheduling agreement sales, create more requests, date more requests. Last batch, all 6-7 batches. I think yours is 7th batch. 6 batches they told no sir. Report they didn't teach. Create more requests, date more requests they didn't teach. Sales return they didn't teach. Consignment sales, contract sales, book wise practice. We are not done practically. Book wise is not coming in the your real time. Book wise is only for the exam. But here should know all the things, practical things. Okay, so this I'm going to do this. Okay, tomorrow again we'll meet. So this once again I'll show you all the master tasks. I'll show you. I'll create and I'll show you. Then I'll create an standard order. Then I'll show you the cash sales, rush sales. Then I'll go to the consignment sales tomorrow. If you know the various sales, then only I can tell S4 HANA theory. Then you can take the exam. Okay, that is why this is very, very important. So before tomorrow, before you are coming, you should know what are the master tasks, what are the inquiry, quotation, order delivering. Not only this, T code and document type, 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 and also here the structure of inquiry, header data, line item data, data, structure of quotation, header data, item data, data, sales order, header data, line data. This you should know. Okay, this also you will see. The reports also you have seen now. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, only the various sales things I'm going to do. Okay, fine. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so this you have to read thoroughly. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow. Usually, if I'm not coming at 7:15, 7:30 I'll be there. Okay, 7:15 to 7:30 we'll make the class. Okay, fine then. Okay, see you. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay.
Thank you.